Hello everyone, Dr. Youngku here. Get ready for my two dynamic lectures at the 2024 Neobiotech World Symposium. In my first lecture, 20 years of searching, the key criteria for zero failure. I will share my initial discovery that unveiled the possibility of the zero failure concept, the anytime loading theory. You'll get to see the trajectory of Neobiotech's products development and how each of our solutions align with this groundbreaking idea. Now, about the second lecture, the art of the anytime loading. It's a clinical variety and a long-term result. As a CEO and a product developer, I will discover the limitless possibilities of our CMI implants, explore the potential implications of the anytime loading theory, envision a future where our solutions coupled with digitalization and new revolutionary prosthetic system and the global trend of immediacy. I can't wait to share these incredible stories and insights at the upcoming symposium. Join me as we explore the past, present, and the future of implant success. See you there.